Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video, here to bring you eight Sundown Audio ZV5s, and let me see, 8 Synergy Audio 3.5s, and yeah. Now, the Synergy Audio 3.5 is one of the amps I was considering getting at the time of me getting the CT sound out. And another thing, you know, like I said, I don't know if I regret my decision or not, but you know what I'm saying, I know it's sounding good for them to be 8 of them though, of course. I mean, if eight CT sound, you know, amps was there just the same way that was, it would have been the same results most likely. You know, especially on all the ZVX5s though, or I think it's ZVX5. It's got to be ZVX5. I done had them on the channel so many times now, so I should definitely know them by heart. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I've been doing some major cleaning to the car. My cousin got up in here and slided up in here and scratched up my carpet. That's what I forget for not having no carpet covers on the floor. But yeah, I cleaned up real good though. You know, and we're definitely probably coming to the end. I'll probably talk about that a little bit more in another video. But we're probably coming to the end of having this car. You know what I'm saying? Probably in another month or two. No, but this car did good for me. Ain't no complaints. No complaints. You know, it's just the mechanical work. The mechanical work cost me a lot. You know, now as y'all can see everything. I don't even know what I let them keep. I probably let them keep the radio. And I probably let them keep the 6.5s. I might have to snatch the 3.5 tweeters out, or just buy more of them. I might just buy more of them. I don't know. It depends on what's going on. So I let them keep the 3.5s. But they can't have these though. I'm sorry. They cannot have those. But, oh yeah, and then this is the old wire. Got me a gyro plate today. But that's the old wire. Yeah. Other than that, man, when I was down in Detroit with my family and all that, nobody had nothing, I mean absolutely nothing bad to say about my sound system. It was incredible. This is the first time that I actually went down there and let everybody listen to my sound system, and not one person had nothing bad to say. Even my girl cousin that, you know, that don't even like loud music. She hates loud music with a passion. Said she loved my sound system. She said it sounds so perfect. She was able to sit up in here and listen to it. It didn't bother her not one bit, man. I said, wow, amazing. And that's what I mean by having a sound system that's really demo friendly. At the same time, it bangs. So basically, anytime I do a sound system in this car, it's gonna sound pretty good for the next person. Yeah. So let's go ahead and check out these 8 Sundowns. Sorry for babbling a little bit much, guys, but let's go ahead and check them out.
Back to M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time after this. It's a hot Chanel and Nadjavin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bum bitches mad again. Oh, back to them. I leave the packs on my back to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Where you run, about to make these bitches rock again. Young money in the cut like a shit dog. Tell kids full of fans on my paper. 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch big, oh, that's the pipe. All night, rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type.
I stick my head in.
Privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit grip. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch big, oh, that's the pipe. Bitch, I'ma run it deep all night. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch big, oh, that's the pipe. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
We got 1, we got 2, 4, 6, 8. Synergy Audio 35.1. This is the amp I should have got y'all probably. But I think that CT sound is just as good.
Until I'm soaked up with cheese, until my enemy choke a slug. Until my same thing doors keep on showing love. Until you.
Yeah, we back. Yeah, I hope you guys like that. That was a very, very crazy sound system right there. Something that I wasn't really planning on seeing. Like, it just came out of nowhere. I was just walking and I seen it. And I was like, man, you know, maybe the DIY gang will like this one too. That's everything that I was doing demos of. I was thinking about you guys too. Like, man, hopefully they'll like these. Hopefully like that. You know what I'm saying? But like, I'm a guy, you know, and you don't really see it on no other channel. I was talking about this with Warren one day. You know, like big YouTube channels, you know what I'm saying, or decent sized YouTube channels. You don't see budget builds like the way I be putting them on here. Like, who puts plenty of your audio on a channel? Who puts, you know what I'm saying, cheap Pioneers on it? I mean, not cheap, but budget Pioneers. You know, because there ain't nothing cheap about Pioneer. Pioneer is a great brand. But budget Pioneer speakers, you know what I'm saying? Budget amps, budget hookups. I put all type of systems on my channel, from beginning systems to like super powerful duper systems. You know, it's all on my channel, you know. Yeah, man. And like I said, them Synergy audio amps, man, I would like to see one, you know, by itself, you know, not 8 of them. You know, I wasn't able to really tell if it sound better than my well, I'm gonna say Synergy audio. I think I made a mistake and said CT audio, CT sounds, but that Synergy audio amp 3.5, I would like to see it, you know, by itself with 2 speakers. that'll be the only way I'll be able to tell, you know, if it's much powerful than the one I have or not. I know a lot of people will just be standing and throw it up in the air, blip blip. Yeah, Synergy Audio is way better than the CT sounds, but you don't know, not until you listen. You'll have to put 2 amps together and just go ahead and listen, and then you'll see which one the best. You know, the favorite mic could be the Synergy Audio, because we seen the you know, the benchmark. What could we say, the dyno for it, and it did easily over 5,000 watts. You know, for the first dyno. So yeah, you can easily say that the Synergy Audio will win because of that. But if you haven't heard them together, how would you be able to tell? You know, you can't just look at a dyno and be like, oh, that amp is better. You know, that's not how the way we do it. You know, it's plenty of amps that does good on the dyno, but it might not do super good in everyday use. Everyday use meaning you can just listen to it, get the bass from it, and, you know what I'm saying, play it every time. You know, we don't know. We don't know. Like, we don't know. All we know is it does its recommended watts. That's the only thing, you know. So I hope you all enjoy the video. If you do, smash that like button. You know, a little spoiler alert. Next video will be some audio pipe BD412s. We're gonna go ahead and check them out, see how they do. You know, other than that, man, you know, that's it, man. So if you're new and haven't subscribed yet and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.